quite wanted to start. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video we've got a massive beauty haul. We've got skincare, makeup, hair, literally so many things. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and yeah, let's get on to the video because there's plenty to get through. What a wonderful... I'm gonna start with boots. As you can tell, it's quite a big box. So yeah, we better delve in. If you check the description box, I'm gonna timestamp every shop just if you're only interested in one certain thing. I've actually been wanting this for ages. It's the Mark Hill Pick a Mix handle thing. You've probably seen it before. It's just a handle and then you buy the attachments to go on the end of it. For example, all of these. So it's actually 3 for 2 at the moment, so I got to pick 2 handles as well. So I just thought that was really good. I have no idea how it works, what it's going to be like, so if you want a testing video, like the video. So we got that, and then because it was 3 for 2, I got 2 handles for it. First one is the whole reason that I even bought the handle. It's the mermaid one. Reminded me of Molly May's Beauty Works waver, so I'm wondering if it's any similar, but it is in quite a small box, so I'm guessing the waves will be quite small. And then I got the ellipse waver. Looks a bit funny, I promise you it's a waver. So yeah, that's just got the big barrel in the middle and then it thins out at the top. That's apparently what it's supposed to look like, but you know, you never know. So excited to try those out. Next hair thing, dry shampoo. This is in the tropical scent. This is the only dry shampoo that I'd ever used. I'm sure nearly every girl owns this and loves it, so yeah, not much more to say about that. If you watched my June favourites, you'll see that I was raving about the Maui, I still don't know how you say it, this shampoo and conditioner. I did have the vanilla bean one, but I've actually ran out of that. So this one is the strength and anti-breakage one. This smells incredible. Like, these shampoos just make hair smell so nice. So this is for chemically damaged hair. Apparently it smooths, revives and quenches. I've used this quite a few times already and absolutely love it. They're usually on offer, so I think it was about £6 for each one. So I thought I'd buy a new hair mask as well. The one that I used was the Garnier Ultimate Blends. I think it was mango or something like that. This is the banana one. I was a bit sceptical about this because banana, but oh my god, if you like the foamy bananas, the sweets, it smells exactly like these. I'm just going to give it a quick whiff. Oh my god, it smells incredible. I don't think I've ever smelled a hair mask that smells this good. So yeah, this is really good. It's banana and shea butter. I did buy it because I heard it smelled nice, not gonna lie, but definitely worth it. I've just got one makeup thing from Boots, the Born to Glow NYX concealer. I was gonna get this in a darker shade to contour with, but then I realised all my concealers are drying up, so I need a new concealer. This is supposed to be really good. Born to Glow NYX Radiant Concealer. So I'm interested to see what this is like. The applicator is one of them sponge ones as well, which are really nice. Don't know if I got the right colour. That's the thing about buying online, you never know if you're getting the right shade or not. But NYX things are always really good. So yeah. Another thing that TikTok's made me buy, honestly I could do a whole video on it, the CeraVe cleanser. My skin, if you've watched my makeup videos, my skin is quite bad because of the pill, so really I don't think there's much I can do about it. Trust me when I say I've literally been trying everything so I don't have to switch the pill. This is the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. It's got ceramide salicylic acid, I don't know how you say it, and hyaluronic acid, and this is supposed to be really good. Seen all of the skincare TikTokers talking about this and I have used it quite a few times and it is really good. I've really been enjoying that. I'm not sure why, but I got this in it for free. I don't know if it's because I spent over a certain amount, not too sure. This is the 1 Minute Urban Detox Mask from Nivea. No idea what this is like, so I can give it a go and add it to my little collection. Now for Utan. You probably know what this is. Jamie Genevieve bought out the facial spray, fake tan spray, and because I use SPF every single day on my face, it's so pale compared to the rest of my body. So I thought it's about time to start tanning the face, but I've always been a bit wary of it, you know, because it blocks your pores and things like this. So this is supposed to be really good for your skin. It came in this very nice box and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the packaging. So it's the CBD tanning water gradual face mist infused with CBD and Scottish lavender oil. I used this the other night and I woke up and I did see a difference, so absolutely loving this already, and I've only used it once. I think this was about £17. There is a discount code of summer25, so if that's still valid, there you go, there's a discount code to get 25% off your order. Now for Feelunique. I feel like I'm really whizzing through this, but I just don't want the video to be really long because no one's gonna watch it. This is an SPF. I got the mini version of this in my Birchbox and it's probably the best SPF that I've used. It just is so lightweight. I think it's a Korean makeup brand, I'm pretty sure. So this is an SPF 50, and as you can see, the packaging is really, really cute. It's the Mimitica. Really, really nice. I used the whole pot of the tester, so I thought I'd buy the full size. £17.50, so not too bad for an SPF. And the other thing I bought, I've been wanting to try this for absolute years. Probably about 5 years I've been wanting to try this, and I finally caved in and bought it. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This has been raved about on American YouTube for so long, and I just wanted to know what the hype was about. It's the butter bronzer, and I just want to know, why is it called the butter bronzer? So I caved in, I bought it. Can't remember how much it was, but I'll link it down below as always. I got mine in the shade light, so I'm hoping it's not too light, but the packaging's nice. Now for Lookfantastic. Little sneak peek. Got quite a lot from here as well. So first things TikTok made me buy as well. There's this guy on TikTok, a skincare guy, and one night I just sat and watched every single video of his. So I think I'm fully educated now on skincare. I'll pop his username on the screen just in case you want to check him out. The Ordinary. All I hear about The Ordinary is good things, because they have what they say on the package. They don't have any strange ingredients in. So I thought I'd give both of these a go. So this one is the Alpha Arbutin 2% and HA serum. This is supposed to lighten scarring, and I've got a lot of scarring on my cheeks from spots. Don't pick your spots, kids, because it's just not good. It just looks like this. I've tried the Ordinary things before, they're great, and yeah, this is supposed to lighten the scars and the redness on your face, so I'm going to give that a go and hopefully it will. And then this is probably the most hyped about Ordinary product on the whole of TikTok and the internet. You probably know what it is. It's the thing that looks like blood, so it's a face mask, and I've researched this on how to use it properly because I've heard many bad things and many people saying what the hell, you're using it wrong. So yeah, used this the other night and I actually did notice a difference. My skin did feel really nice after it. It just looks really cool. Let's just give you a little show and tell. Look. It just looks like fake blood, don't it? Looks absolutely horrible when it's on. You know, them face masks usually make you look really nice. Well, this one makes you look horrific. But I did notice a difference after using it. I just put this in my basket just for the fun of it, to be honest. Have heard nothing at all about it, but I did need a new eyebrow gel. So it's the L'Oreal Longwear Brow Gel. No idea how you use this, to be honest. The end of it has a lipstick applicator, so if you've got this, just let me know how you use it, because I actually have no idea. I think it's a tint that's supposed to last around 2 days, so I need to read into that properly so I know how to use it. But yeah, this was quite expensive for L'Oreal, so I have no idea what it is, but I bought it anyway. Literally the story of my life. To whiten my teeth, I usually use the Crest 3D whitening strips, the ones that are banned in the UK, so you have to buy them from certain websites. They're actually £50 for like a pack of 10 or 20, so I just thought it's just not worth it. It's annoying, so I thought I'd try this. Someone on TikTok, you can just tell I spend all my time on TikTok. This girl on TikTok says this helped to get white teeth. It's the Pearl Drops Lasting White Finish toothpaste. I've only used it once, but apparently you get outstanding whiteness in 3 days that lasts. So I will report back on this and see if it's any good. So that was everything that I bought from Lookfantastic. Hollywood Browzer. You will see that I mentioned these in my Amazon favourites video. I bought this directly from the website this time. They had an offer on where you bought 2 and got a bit of money off, so I just caved in and bought 2 because the one that I had was really blunt and I don't know how I used it for so long being that blunt. As soon as I used this, I thought, oh god, like that other ones really bad. I just got the duo pack, pink and black, and these are just so good if you do shave your face. Obviously you don't have to, but I just do it so my makeup sits better, and we love these. So I thought I'd leave this till last because I'm not sure who's actually interested in the Birchbox. I've shown this in my previous beauty haul. I just don't really know. Don't know if people are interested. So I thought I'd pop it in at the end just in case you want to know what's in this month's Birchbox. I need to cancel this subscription because it gets expensive, but I just can't bring myself to do it. It's like Christmas every month. It's nice to have that box and open it and you don't know what's inside. So this month's box was for Self-Love Club. We love that. So the leaflet that comes inside says that they're celebrating International Female Orgasm Day. There's some facts and figures there. So the first thing in the Birchbox this month is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eyelash and Eyebrow Serum. I really do love castor oil. I use it on my hair, I use it on my eyebrows, I use it on my eyelashes. I got eyelash extensions once and all of my eyelashes came out with them because I picked them off, and castor oil definitely helps. So I've never tried the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, so I'm very much looking forward to this, and this is the full size. It's worth £17 in itself, and the box is about £12 a month, I think it is. So you've got your money's worth already just with this. This is the VQ Pineapple Peeling Gel. I think it's one of those exfoliators where your dead skin comes off with them, and I absolutely love those because they're just so satisfying. Does it smell like pineapple? Oh, it does smell like pineapple. I'm going to enjoy using that. Also, I love the packaging. That's really nice. This is worth £15 as well, which is very pricey. Don't think this is the full size though. We got a mini hair mask. This is the Amica Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Look at the packaging on this. I'm sorry, but that is just the cutest thing ever. Don't know what to say about this. Massage through wet hair, let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes, and apparently hair's supposed to be really nice after it. This is worth £20, so very expensive again. This is a Lord & Berry eye pencil in the shade Glam. This is worth £10. I think you just put it on top of your eyes for a bit of shimmer, so that's very nice. The last thing is this mini bronzer. Every month you get to choose 1 out of 2 things on their website. So I chose the bronzer instead of the blusher. Look at the packaging, it's like marble with rose gold writing. And then that's the bronzer. How lovely is that? That is worth £23.50. So that's what's in the Self-Love Club Birchbox this month. Also comes in a proper box. Usually it's got the box where the drawer comes out. So that's it. That is the huge beauty haul that I had to share with you in today's video. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Like the video, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. Oh my god, I can't stop dropping things. If you watched my, is it Amazon? Yeah, 100% of Sturface. I can't speak. You pineapple homage. Mark Hill. No, that's not it. Just got a strange notification. Moving cleanser. I think it's got face removal. Oh god. Come on, don't be shy. Oh, it's got a thing on it. And the last thing is this. Oh my god. What was in Self Club Love?